Governor of Jharkhand, Shri Santosh Kumar Gangar ji, Minister, Government of Jharkhand, Shri Sudipja Kumar ji, Chairman of BIT Mesra, Shri C.K. Birla ji, Vice Chancellor, Professor Indranil Mana ji, members of the Board of Governors and of the Academic Council, faculty and staff, students, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Johar. I am very glad to be here among you. It is a historic milestone at the Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, which has contributed immensely to the developmental saga of our nation, completed 70 years. My heartiest congratulations to you and to everyone associated with this Pioneer Institute on its Platinum Jubilee. The faculty and administrators, past and present, as well as students and alumni must be commended for the quality and excellence that BIT stands for. Your institute has imparted engineering education in this mineral-rich region, which is also a prominent manufacturing hub. I have served Jharkhand as governor and this university as chancellor, and I am also proud of its rich legacy. Every time I visit Jharkhand, it has been like a homecoming for me. BIT has been an integral part of the state's history. The Platinum Jubilee is an apt occasion to celebrate and honor the Institute's contributions to education, research, and innovation in engineering, technology, and allied fields. It is time to appreciate the accomplishments of the students, faculty, alumni, and their achievements in academics, research, infrastructure, and societal impact. BIT has been a pioneer in a number of fields. The first Department of Space Engineering and Rocketry in the country was established here in 1964. One of the first science and technology entrepreneurship park to promote engineering entrepreneurship was also set up here in 1975. It is also the only technological university in Eastern India, imparting education at the certificate, diploma, bachelor, master, and doctoral levels in science, management, and engineering in about 20 disciplines. The Institute's culture of nurturing talent is also reflected in the accomplishments of its alumni, who include leaders in every sphere of life, such as education, entrepreneurship, industry, administrative services, journalism, literature, and sports. I am told that BIT has recently expanded beyond its traditional area, offering courses now in quantitative economics and data science, humanities, and animation and multimedia. Technology and humanities are really complementary, and bringing them together under one roof also realizes the vision behind the national education policy. Ladies and gentlemen, ours is the age of technology. New advances in the field of information technology, for example, have changed the way we live. What was unthinkable till yesterday has become reality today. There are very few inventions that change the world around us the way mobile telephone has changed it. It is gladdening to note that these advances have become accessible for most people in the society. The gaps in digital access are getting reduced very fast. A downside of this trend has been an explosion in cyber crimes, but these are also being countered with a rise in awareness. The coming years are going to be even more dramatic, with far-reaching advances expected, particularly in artificial intelligence and machine learning. As AI rapidly transforms economies, the Government of India has been quick in responding to the emerging scenario. Several initiatives are being taken to integrate AI in higher education institutions. BIT was indeed ahead of the curve as it introduced a BTech course in artificial intelligence and machine learning in 2023. The change brought about by AI and other technologies is also reflected in our languages. Till a few years ago, the word disruption, to take one example, meant something to be worried about. But now it has a positive connotation. A break or an interruption in the normal course is now something to be welcomed. But as technology creates great disruption in societies, I believe we should remain concerned about its impact on the marginalized groups. The great opportunities being created should be available to all. The great transformations being brought about should benefit all. However, I remain an optimist. There are hundreds of reasons for my hopes, and they are all before me here. I am referring to the youth whose enthusiasm and commitment will be the key ingredient in the making of a Viksit Bharat. I am especially happy to see so many young women here. As I visit institutions of higher education across the country, I see our daughters raising the bar of excellence. They are not lagging behind in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics either. Often, the problems around us do not need any big technological intervention. Let us not forget the importance of small-scale, traditional solutions. Indeed, innovators and entrepreneurs must not ignore the knowledge base of traditional communities. Ladies and gentlemen, I am confident that BIT Misra will continue to make rich contributions to the continuing evolution of science and technology in India. I once again congratulate everyone associated with this prestigious institute in the past and present as well on the occasion of Platinum Jubilee, and wish you all success in your future endeavor. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
विश्व स्तरीय मेडिकल सुविधाओं से युक्त रांची का देवनिका हॉस्पिटल, जहां है नियोनेटल आईसीयू, बर्न इंटेंसिव केयर यूनिट, मॉड्यूलर ऑपरेशन थिएटर, 24/7 इमरजेंसी ट्रॉमा सर्विस, मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी आईसीयूज, इमरजेंसी केयर, MRI, CT स्कैन, एडवांस कैथ लैब, फुल्ली ऑटोमेटेड पैथ लैब, इको, अल्ट्रासाउंड, अल्ट्रा मॉड्यूलर पेशेंट बेड्स और फार्मेसी। देवनिका हॉस्पिटल एंड रिसर्च सेंटर, किफायती दर पर विश्व स्तरीय इलाज, एंसिलरी चौक, टूपुदाना इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, रांची।
5 राज्य, 61 शहर, 150 प्रोजेक्ट और एक वास्तु विहार। नई सोच, नया घर। बनाए रखिए अपना प्यार, सेवा में है वास्तु विहार।